about 2 months ago, I posted a video of me asking for your help. I was asking for you to help me to raise money so I can go on a mission trip to the Philippines, a health and solidarity mission for the areas affected, the communities affected by Typhoon Haiyan in central Philippines. However, things did not go as planned, and as you can see, I'm still here in Davis, California. And in the meantime, while I'm still here in Davis, California, I am focusing my energy on the UC Davis Rise Up campaign, which aims to raise about $33,000 for the areas and communities affected by Typhoon Haiyan by the end of the year. And in the meantime, I also wanted to work on my video blog. To motivate me, I've decided to join or to participate in this 100 Happy Days challenge. But instead of just posting a happy picture a day for 100 days straight, I decided to step it up and make it a video blog challenge. So my 100 Happy Days starts now. Care package. Yesterday I got a care package from my mom. So in this package, we do have a lot of things like
pancake mix, eraser, stamping gel, stencil floss, oops, allergy medication, eye drop, Q-tips, transparent facial bar, deodorant, lip balm, Advil, pain relievers, white out, toothbrush, highlighters, moisturizing cream, markers, gum, air freshener, body lotion, another hair product, tummy medications, oops, shampoo,
and another deodorant. Is she trying to tell me something? She also got these products, Burt's Bees products, Micro-Friendly. And lastly, she also got me love. In other words, a jar of Nutella, and another jar of Nutella, and a jar of Hershey's chocolate spread. Well, actually, this is good because I love Nutella, but my girlfriend, Yi, is allergic to hazelnut, so she can't have Nutella, so this is gonna be hers. And she also got me this card. Bicycles. Yep, because I'm in Davis. Bike City. My dearest Butchik, for your everyday needs, I miss you. Love, Mom. Thanks, Mom. I do miss you and I love you too. The other day I also got a care package from my little Sid, one of my mentees, Jeffrey Bonkeo. Now one of the candies that he got me is this sweet and sour tamarind candy that happens to be made from my home province in the Philippines. Now he's not Filipino, so it was just like this interesting coincidence that he got me a candy from Stockton, where he's from. And this candy happens to be made from the same province where I was made. So these care packages from my mom and Jeffrey reminds me of the first care package I ever got. It was my first year at the dorm, and a friend from my community college, her name is Sun, and she sent me a small care package during my first year in Davis, my first year at the dorms away from home, and it gave me this heart-warming, happy feeling that someone out there actually cares for me, aside from my own family. So yeah, care packages makes me really happy, and if you want to send me a care package, don't be shy and shoot me a message below or on Facebook. So that's it for today, and I wish you all a happy 100 days and more. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow.